Namaste and welcome to Hindu newspaper discussion for prelims. Which is important, which is not important, who knows? But these are the relevant topic I have selected from the paper. Let us go into our first topic. That is tiger reserves in Telangana. First one is Nagarjuna Sagar and Kawal Tiger Reserve. This is the map of that Kawal Tiger Reserve. It is located in Godavari river bank, and you have to locate that Nagarjuna Sagar Tiger Reserve in your old atlas. Let us go into next topic. GDP and recession. Look at the definition of GDP is the final value of goods and services produced within a country in a specific period of time, normally a year. So GDP is a important indicator of the economic performance of any country. So we have to remember here that services and goods which are finished within a year, total value is GDP. So remember, we will discuss this topic very detailed in further videos. Just what is the link between GDP and recession, we are going to discussing in this video. Look at the definition of recession. Recession is defined as a fall in the overall economic activity for 2 consecutive quarters, 6 months, that is 6 months, accompanied by a decline in income and sales and employment, which means overall economic activity declining means there is shrink in GDP. So continuously 6 months negative growth means it is a recession of any country. That is what we have to observe from this news. And let us go into next news. Viability gap funding. Viability gap finance means a grant supports that economically justified but not viable, which projects are helpful for peoples. Those projects get support from government. In this news, the government on Wednesday expanded the provision of the support by means of viability gap funding for PPPP, public private partnership in infrastructure projects, to include critical social sectors. Investment in such sectors such as health, education, water and waste treatment. Okay, so these projects will going to benefit from this viability gap funding. So we have to remember here that those projects not give quick like benefit profits, but they are very much helpful for people. Okay, let us go into next topic. This topic I have pick up for map pointing, that is Bahrain. Bahrain's capital city is Manama. It is located in Persian Gulf. It means West Asia, bordered with Saudi Arabia and Qatar. Okay, next topic is insider trading, which means trade between two corporates without disclosing information. That Amazon accusing both Reliance Industries and Future Related private limiteds. So you just remember that what is insider trading. Okay, we are ending today's session. Thank you for watching and support me. Please subscribe, watch, like, share and click on bell button. Thank you very much.